Okay, in my opinion, the most beautiful bike on display here, up for sale at the 2023 Mecum auction is this 1960 Harley-Davidson board track racer. So look at these twin port heads. So obviously it's a single 4-valve cylinder. So they were doing 4 valves way back over a century ago. So just really, really well done. Takes my breath away just to sit here and look at this thing and look at the workmanship, look how it's done, look at the level of restoration on it. Every piece and part on it is just perfection. Look at the details, the way the screws are set in. Love these exhaust pipes. You've got exhaust pipes on both ends here, both running towards the back from the back and kind of running at an angle from the front. You can see the valve springs, the open valve springs here, and the valve train, everything right out in the open. It's just really a good looking bike. It's got the typical board track racer seat on it. Over here you see the spark plugs and the spark plug wires. Just the vintage wiring, but all done to concourse restoration. Look at even the spark plugs are just fantastic on this thing. The dual chain mechanism, kind of to start it like you would a moped, and then the drivetrain. So just all the little vents and lines and all the tubing and everything on it's just really, really well done. And then the paint. Look at the paint and the gold leaf where they spell out Harley-Davidson. Again, I think you're going to have a hard time finding a nicer bike of any type here. Even love the white tires on it. Just take one more look from a gander. Here's the brake on it, front brake, the cabling. Just great looking bike. See what it goes for this Saturday.